Right, so what I'm doing right now is I have a low idle problem, so I'm going to replace the intake manifold gasket. Got that bad boy right here. I'm going to take all this stuff off. Take out the air filter, I'm going to take off the brace bar, gotta drain the coolant, and then start unplugging hoses and stuff. That's where I'm going to be. Alright, so I got the main strut bar off there. I also took off the air intake. I've removed the injector cords, the throttle cable, held back the clutch cable. Basically what I have left down here is remove a couple of coolant hoses, which I've already drained quite a bit out, probably half a gallon. So yeah, so I'm just going to be pulling some of these guys up and off of there. PCV valve is barely connected. I have a brand new PCV valve and grommet right here ready to go in there. So I got that going. So now I'm just going to take a couple more things off, a couple hoses, and then get back in here. Okay, so I got the fuel line off of there. Still plenty of fuel in there. Smells good. Pulled that coolant line back, got the rest of the electrical connections unplugged. Now I just got to pull these bolts down here, these 12 millimeters. I believe there's 7 of them, and then I should be able to detach the intake manifold. Alright, so I got it all out. Had one more little tube right here, and as you can see, I think I found my idling problem. Just laying here. Oh, this guy is definitely wet. I think that's definitely where my problem was, as far as why my spark plugs are wet. Why everything's just fucking up, because this fucking piece of fucking paper that they call a gasket and they charge a fortune for is bullshit. So whatever company I bothered to buy this from, I'm going to be sure not to get one of these again. To go back and look, it's literally a fucking, might as well be cardboard. But anyways, got all that crap off. I'm going to give this a quick clean up. And yeah, you can totally see where it, which is, yeah, anyways. So I'm gonna give that a quick cleanup, toss the new gasket on there, yeah. Oh, got it all put back together. Getting out some air bubbles down here. Working on dealing with that. But yeah, everything's back together, put nicely. It sounds like a different car already. It already just sounds different. Sounds a lot more relaxed. So I think that was definitely a big part of the problem. You know, sometimes that's all it is. Just replacing a piece of paper back there. Of course, I had to do a ton of other shit in order to get to that piece of paper, but whatever. So I get all this stuff on, or I get the everything back on there. And I go out on the freeway to give it a nice good run. And I ran over something right about here. And I didn't see anything on the ground. There's no like real markings. Except for when I get out of the car, my parking light wire is ripped out, obviously. My lining was ripped out. So I'm just driving along, and all of a sudden I hit something that sounds like a bike chain or something. And that proceeds to rip out my fender lining and my lighting. But if you can see back there, I still got, right there where my pinky is, that's the other one of these guys, which is the plug-in for the light bulb, which goes into this, which is now fucking broken, sorta. We just can put it back in this little spot there. But yeah, so that's what I gotta do with that today. What I was really hoping to do, which I'm still gonna do, is new Megan racing headers. This guy just came. I'm not back chilling. I got the new muffler, so I'm gonna do the whole new exhaust, and then maybe get back around to this. But just wanted to finish this video up with a little oh shit, I can't believe that happened moment. Still don't know what happened. just hit something, and then I heard a noise, and I looked back, and my lining was laying in the middle of the freeway. So keep on keeping on.